Police say the man accused of shooting two people inside the Meadows Mall on New Year's Eve was turned in by his mom and was an act of retaliation. This is the suspect, Jarvis Williams. According to an arrest report, it all started as an argument between Williams and one of the victims, Elijah Herbert. Police say Williams and his mother were victims of a shooting back in October. Now, in that shooting, Herbert was the suspected shooter. Williams' mother called police to tell them about her son and him being involved. Now, officers arrested Williams last week. He's due in court later this month.
YouTube was cracking. It's Money Love on my little channel. We got Jarvis Williams out of Las Vegas, Nevada, rolling 60 Crip gang. Shot up old boy that shot at him and his mama, and the mama turned him in. So I want to hear from the mothers. What would you do? Would you turn your son in if someone tried to kill you and your son retaliated? Would you turn your son in? I mean, I commend the mother. She wants the gang violence to stop because the mother's a gang member, former gang member also. So, you know, Jarvis Williams is doing family business. His father's a gang member. His mother was a gang member. He's just doing the family business. He don't know what else to do. That's what he know. Mothers, would you turn your son in if someone tried to kill you and your son retaliated for y'all namesake? Would you turn him in? I don't think my mama turned me in, but she'll tell me don't come home, straight up. So mothers, would you turn your son in if he retaliated when someone tried to kill you and your son? Would you turn your son in? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the new Money Love channel, and we out.